Good afternoon, dear friends. Yesterday we learned, to write formal letters, and today we'll learn to write informal letters. Yesterday I told you some rules of formal letters and some do's and don'ts, and then I told you how to write. I just made the format. I wrote one letter for you guys, and now I hope that you really practiced on that. Now today I'll just write one informal letter for you guys so that you can understand how to write, and then you can write your own letters basing on this. Well, in informal letters, as the name suggests, informal, the language has to be informal. You don't have to use very formal words or showy words. You can be informal, you can use normal words. You can also use short forms because it is informal, you're writing to your friend. But it is still advisable to have the consistency of ideas, because consistency of ideas is very necessary for you to get marks from the examiner. Clear? And if you can use some informal phrases and idioms, it would be wonderful. You can use phrasal verbs, it would be wonderful. So I write one informal letter for you. Okay? So the first do's and don'ts, the first do is this: use informal language. You can use short forms. It is still advisable to have the consistency of ideas even in informal letters. Clear, guys? And the letter will grow more and more informal, and it depends the level or the degree of informality. The degree of informality depends on the level of your intimacy, or on the extent of your intimacy with the person you're writing to. So now I write one. I begin one here for you guys. I begin with my own address. Clear? The writer's address has to be either on the right side or on the left side. I prefer on the left side, so I do 3/2 Basant Vihar. Then leave a line, put the date 7 March 2012. Then leave a line and start. Dear Seema, and do not put a comma here. It was a matter of great pleasure to hear that you topped your university. I extend my heartiest congratulations to you, and so do my parents. So I extend my heartiest congratulations to you, and so do my parents. And then I'll write. I say, well, Seema, you see, you won't believe how glad we are for you. You won't believe how glad we are for you. We feel so proud of you. Now you can change the paragraph, and there's nothing to explain to you. You are understanding everything, ain't you? You just have to base your own letters on this. You write a number of letters basing on this. Clear? And once you do, you'll learn it, because things come from practice, not from anything else. A teacher can't help you much unless you are practicing. Clear? The teacher simply can guide you, and that's what I'm doing. I'm just writing one letter for you, and now you have to write your own. You practice, and every time you write, you get better. Clear? And the same is true of spoken English also. Every time you speak in English, you get better at it. So here I said, we feel so proud of you. So, in the first paragraph, I congratulated Seema, and I just, I just expressed my joy at her success, and I also said I'm proud of her. Now, I want to change the paragraph and then write something else, like, for example, just look here. It was your diligence and hard work that paid you. You see, hard work always pays. Now, Seema, let's come to the point. Now, Seema, let's come to the point. When are you throwing us a big party? When do you think? When should we leave? Or what do you think? What do you think? When should we leave? We're really longing to see you. Now, you can just write, I look forward to hearing from you. Yours sincerely. And in yours sincerely, there should be no apostrophe in yours. Clear yours sincerely. That's it. There should be no comma here. That's it. And now, okay guys, so you can write some more letters and learn it. Practice alone can teach you. Again, I repeat myself. Okay, thank you very much.